We're looking at skill 75, which is to divide a value by 0.001. This can be quite tricky because we can get confused between dividing and multiplying. So let's only look at dividing by 0.001. So let's take any number. Let's take, say, 38.2971, and let's say we have to divide by 0.001. Now let's have a look at what 0.001 is. I like to change 0.001 into a fraction, and 0.1 is 1 over 10. 0.01, I'll just put that up here, 0.1 is a tenth, 0.01 is 100th, and 0.001 is 1 over 1,000. So if we had to divide by, and we have this value to start with, and we're taking this 38.2971, we're going to divide it by 1,000th, and then we're saying how many 1,000ths are there in this value. Now to divide by a fraction, when you have to divide by a fraction, we can change divide fraction into multiply its reciprocal. Its reciprocal is like its upside down version. So to divide by 1,000 is the same as changing divide into a times. Flip over 1 over 1,000, that becomes 1,000 over 1. That's the reciprocal of 1 over 1,000. So we still haven't changed the first value. It's 38.2971. And now to divide by 0.001 is the same as multiplying by 1,000. And when you multiply by 1,000, I'll just change the color of this here. I'm going to take this decimal. The decimal is going to jump to multiply. Each time you multiply, the decimal moves to the right. So multiplying by 10, it becomes 382. Multiplying it by 100, it becomes 3,829. Multiplying by 1,000, the decimal is going to jump 3 places to the right. So that is going to equal 38,297.1. And there we have our solution to divide by 0.001. So when you do have to divide by 0.001, be careful. It looks like 0.001 is to divide by 1,000. We're not multiplying, we are dividing. And when you divide by a fraction, that is the same as multiplying by its reciprocal. The reciprocal is the flip over version. So divide by 0.001 is the same as multiply by 1,000. And so your result will be 38 the decimal will move 3 jumps to the right. So it's 38,297.1. So you can take any value such as 136.0235 to divide by 0.001. Just recapping, I'm going to change that into 1 over 1,000 because that's what 0.001 is. You can see where this is going. It's just a repeat. To divide by 1,000 is the same as multiply by. Flip it over, it's reciprocal. And so we've got 136.0235. To divide by 0.001 is the same as multiply by 1,000. And the decimal is going to jump 3 places to the right because it's multiply. And so it's 136,023.5. So there's just a couple of questions. So I hope that you can see what to divide by 0.001 needs to be done. And until we talk again, until you tune in again, stay happy.